Okay, so in the earlier video we were demonstrating how you can repair the damaged, rounded out, or boogered up screws. And then now I'm going to go back and continue with I got a Harley Davidson screwdriver. It's got a really nice tip on it, so I'm going to go ahead and just line it up and hit the top of it with a hammer, and it'll form the shape again real nice. So like next time you go to get it, it's like nice and snug again. See, I just pulled it right out. That's how good it is. I'm going to look at a new screw as far as the functionality. Still looks a little boogered up. So like this one hasn't been hammered on after I hit it with the extension. So now we're good on that. This one needs to go. And this one is also needs to go. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and give them a nice snug turn because they were loose slightly. Okay, so now just pull off this zip tie. It's worth. But it's kind of way of just not having to remember how to put it back together. Now line it up. Yeah, you better answer that, baby. Just answer it and just put the phone down.
Hello.